Hey guys, we are out at D. Brown, and I don't know if you remember, but they do have a tool library, and now they have something called the Repair Cafe. So once a month on Sundays, you can take items like this that are broken and bring them in, and their volunteers will help you get it fixed or help you do it yourself. So let's go see if I can get this repaired today. Hello.
Hi, welcome.
I need to get this fixed.
Oh, how did you hear about it?
I actually saw it on social media.
Awesome. Well, this is Repair Cafe, so I'm just going to have you sign our house rules.
Okay.
It's basically just that our repair experts are going to give every attempt to try to fix your item, but you know, sometimes it's just unrepairable.
Okay.
Also, if you don't mind, we're going to try to keep track of all the repairs we make during this event so that we can add it to Repair Monitor. It's a website that tracks repairs people make. This is to help with future legislation on right to repair so that we can share that with big corporations that people need to have access to manuals, parts, and maybe things that could be repaired but legally are not allowed to.
Okay, great. I will get this filled out. So what kind of items do you guys accept here to get repaired?
Well, it depends on our experts, but right now we can do bicycle repair. We're going to have a clothes mending station with 2 sewing machines. We actually have someone interested in toy repair. We can even do all sorts of small appliances and give advice on larger appliances. We can do some advice on car repair and car maintenance, and we can even do some furniture repair. We have someone coming in who's familiar with woodworking, so they can give advice on big pieces of furniture, but it's really whatever you can get in the door.
Okay. How often can I find the Repair Cafe?
We're going to try to meet once a month. This is our first time, so the more interest, the more times we'll try to meet.
Okay, great. All right, what do I need to do?
Yeah, I've got Gonzalo here. He's an expert in all things repair, and he's going to give you some advice. So he's right through here.
Okay.
Oh, hey, before you go, it's a cafe, so we got coffee and snacks in the back.
How are you today?
Good.
So what do we have here?
So I've got this, it's the time of year. I was trying to do some gardening, and
Yes, ma'am.
apparently I
You
broke it the
huh?
last time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take a look at this real quick and see what we got. Well, it's not broken, so
Okay, good.
I think we can probably just glue it back together. We got some Gorilla Heavy Duty adhesive here. Before we put some of that, I think we need to clean the fork here really good.
Okay,
That way the glue adheres on it a little better.
perfect.
If you don't mind, put some gloves on.
Oh, so I have to do this?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to walk you through it.
Okay. No, that's great. So what all do you specialize? Like, what all are you able to, I'm gonna take my jacket off.
I'm very flexible. I've done just about everything. I helped the lady work on her door last time we were here last weekend, so
Oh, nice.
her vehicle.
Okay, so vehicles, that's
But yeah,
great.
you can bring me lamps, yard tools, just about anything. We can try to fix it. If not, we can tell you exactly what you need to do or where to take it to.
Perfect, okay.
So let's start by cleaning all the dirt off. I'm gonna give you another one so you can wipe. There you go.
What was your favorite thing to repair last time?
Well, the door was challenging. We ended up telling her that her motor and their window was broke, so she was gonna have to take it to the shop, but
Okay.
I was able to keep it from falling.
Okay, so you did some temporary stuff.
I did,
Okay.
yes we did.
Well, that's good. Okay, I think
You think you got it?
that's as good as I'm gonna be able to
Okay,
get that for
good deal.
now. Okay, so
All
now
right,
what's
so
next?
Let's just look at this. So what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how to squeeze these. I'm not sure, have you ever used one of these before?
I have, but
Okay, well, I'm gonna show you, just make sure it's squeezing out right. Okay. And what we wanna do, we wanna put just a little bit of that adhesive in there, just
Okay.
fill it in, and then we're gonna put a bead of it here and on the back as well, and then we're gonna stick it back in there.
Okay.
And
Can I do too much?
no.
Okay.
No, you're good.
And pop that. Okay.
Looks good. And then there you go. And that's fine, you can just lay it there.
Okay. And that's the right side? Or does it go, no, it goes
Just
like
that.
this.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay.
There you go, you got it. And that's it, and it should, this thing dries up pretty quick, I think about 30 minutes or so.
Oh.
You should be able to start using it again.
Nice, that was easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
All
you.
right, well, next time I'm gonna come back with something more complicated.
Awesome, good deal.
Hey, before you head out, I actually have this little sticker that says I was saved by Repair Cafe.
Oh,
So
can
if
we
you don't
just
mind.
like right on
Yeah,
here?
let's
I
put
love
right
it.
on there.
Let's do it. All right, Rachel, tell us, when's the next one?
The next one is going to be April 16th, 2 to 4, and we're planning out the next couple of months this summer, so
Okay.
more.
Throughout the rest of the year as much as we can?
As much as we can.
I love it. Okay then. I was saved by the Repair Cafe.